I am with Jack Tyler, Chief Chef of Two Chefs Paella, and Chef Jack is going to show us how to make his secret recipe for paella.
We're going to use a really good extra virgin olive oil, and I like Goya, so we will put that in the pan. We're going to put in it chorizo and brown it. And I believe what I'm going to do is brown the chicken at the same time. This chicken has been infused or marinated with salt, pepper, and paprika. And what we have to do here is just brown them slightly. All right, I'm going to take that out and I'm going to put it in a bowl.
So after you brown the chorizo and chicken, you put it aside.
Yeah. Then we're going to put some tomatoes in it to make the sofrito. That has cilantro, red and green bell peppers, and we need to just cook it for a little while.
So you cook the sofrito until it's translucent then?
Yes. Then we're going to put tomatoes in it.
So what type of tomatoes are these?
These are Roma tomatoes. Yeah. That needs to cook just a little while. Mm-hmm. This is the rice. Mm-hmm. This is our arborio or bomba rice, short fat grains. This is 4 cups. You stir the rice to make sure it's all coated with the flavors and the sofrito. This is saffron, and this is chicken stock which has already been infused with saffron. That's the reddish color. This is 8 cups, but I'm only going to use about 6 cups right now. And see, that way we had more liquid to add later. These are bite-sized pieces of mussels, clams, and we spread that throughout. Let's just let that cook for a little while it's all in there. Now we put back in the chicken and the chorizo.
Okay.
We spread these around evenly. We have kosher salt, sweet paprika, and pepper. And these all need to go in. They'll be stirred in. Let's put in shrimps. These are clams and mussels.
Mm-hmm. Clams and mussels go in next.
Right.
Yes.
And you put the hinges down. And we're going to put all of these in here. This will cook for an additional maybe 20 minutes.
Okay.
And you can tell when the rice is done, this is going to be full of rice coming up here. After we have put all of the clams and mussels in and we've tinted it to cook a little while, and put lemons on it, this is what it looks like. This is a finished seafood paella.
Yes.
Would you like to try it?
Yes. Buon provecho.
Let's see. Try a piece of chorizo.